Good boy! Okay, good boy. Are you ready? Are you ready? You ready? Let's do it again. You ready? Dude, you are on fire. Salito.
Hurry, go! Hurry, go! Get him, go! Oh no. 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 转圈。
He's upset because he had to share the back seat with some merchandise. You're upset? Logan, look at me. What's... You still got boogies?
No.
Hi, Captain. What's up?
You guys go out there!
I'm just out for a cruise. It's a good day.
Is that a recording?
Mm-hmm.
If you touch that again, I shall kill you right now. Okay. Do not touch this. This is a no touching there.
Good. Well then,
Oh my God! I can't believe you reached across like that again. I can't even believe.
Happy New Year! Are you all excited for the new year?
oh,
God damn. Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God! What is that?
Nobody's gonna know. Nobody's gonna know. They're gonna know.
Go on then, you can do it. Come on, Scamp, you can do it. Look, you can do it. You did it a minute ago. Use your paw. Yeah, clever boy.
Faker, I know you're awake. I know you hear me. Hey. This dog. Hey, Faker. Hey.
Fendi, open your eyes.
Alive. Hey.
Yo quiero tener esa vida que tú tienes, ¿ok? Tú no pagas renta, no compras comida, pero lo más bueno es que tú no pagas renta, ni nada. No, no te pongas así serio, ¿no?
Give me the squirrel. Give me that squirrel.
Ну, лежак, лежак второй. Когда папа дома, ты на нем спишь. Папа только ушел, что это такое? Что это сделал?
Are you fucking kidding me right now?
Bring your butt here.
No. No, stop it. Stop it. No, stop it. Stop it. No, stop.
Can I get this paw? This paw. Paw?
Oh, he shit. Oh, he shit. Oh. 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 I did that. I did that. I did that.
Rio, come. Come over here. A little closer. Get over here.
Dinei seu piolinho. Oi? Tem que tomar cuidado, gente, pra não pisotear um bichinho desse. Parece uma pulga atrás do pai dela, ó.
Betsy! What's happening? What's cracking up, Bat? Hello?
Ai,
Look, Mom found a 4-leaf clover. Want to smell it? No, you can't eat it!
Oh my gosh, I just remembered something. I love you.
Hi. Yes. Who did that? Get your head in there. I'm coming in.
Huh?
Beans, what are you doing? Look, Ollie, look at Beans. Look. Oh!
Daisy. Daisy. Peanut butter?
Get that one. Just get it.
He did. He just let it go so she can play with it. What?
What the is that?
I don't know. Somebody chucked something over the fence.
Is it over the... What is it?
No, the sheep are out. Thank God I have a sheepdog.
Your impression of a cow.
Hi! Hi!
Look at this. Oh, would you look at this? Just look at it.
Yeah, you got caught.
I guess you don't like it.
Do you guys maybe want to go? What do you think? Do you want to go to?
What do you do to him? Damn it, Clifford! Clifford, what's up, baby boy?
What the fuck? You don't violate that pickle! You leave that pickle alone! Give me that pickle!
Whoa, he's jumping 20 times.
Potential traffic girls. Yeah, well, listen, I appreciate it. Definitely see you make it around the
The weirdest thing, my bed has this big, like, lump in it right here. Like, oh, hey.
Ya, pero ya suéltame. ¡Ya suéltame! Ya. Oye, nomás es poquito. Si vivo contigo no me voy a ir. A mí yo siento como muy...
No, leave it, leave it, why don't leave it, Dave.
Okay, guys.
Oh my god!
Say?
Say bye-bye to TikTok. Say bye-bye.
You do this every day? Yeah. Why? Because I love it.
I'm so hungry, I could eat a dog.
You scared? It's okay.
He's scared.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
It's okay. Oh, it's
buddy.
okay.
It's okay.
in my entire life. Where are you, Corgis?
Ah, there you are.
Go get it. Good boy. Oh.
Who did this, huh? Who did this?
Dang, you like it? I searched everywhere to get. Bro, I'm scared. Look at our Uber.
¡No! Quieto. No. No. No se ladra, mamá. No.
This is what Natalie's dog does. What are you doing up there? What the fuck are you doing?
How did that get stuck to your face?
Oh my god. Ah, I just hit her in the face.
Where's Winston? Where's Winston? I wonder where Winston is.
Get your paw off the table. Get your paw. Get your paw off the table.
How are you even real? Like, look at that face. Look at that face. Ugh, you're freaking perfect.
Where are your legs?
Hey. Hey.
Here he goes. Yay.
What? Corn caught my ear. Thank you. Go ahead. Corn caught it again. Good boy.
What did you do? Did you do this to the couch? Chance, did you do that? Look at me.
Hey. Hey. Remember me? Get down. You cannot have the guacamole.